Meaning of flip.
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 Flip. The term flip can have various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it refers to the act of turning over or reversing the position or orientation of something. For example, a person can flip a pancake in the kitchen, or flip a coin to determine who goes first in a game. The result of flipping may be a change in direction, location, or status of the object involved. Overall, flip implies a sudden, swift movement or action that transforms the current state of something.